Hey guys, I'm Sean Calloway and I'm the Product Development Manager here at Anzo USA. And today we're going to be installing our full LED headlights on a Wrangler JL. So let's take a look at these lights. They come with a black housing. The center here is your low beam. The top and bottom are going to be your high beam. Now if we take a look at the back side, we have our plug and play connector, our beam adjuster, as well as the mounting tabs all along the edge. So let's go ahead and get these installed and see what they look like. Tools needed for the headlights are 3/8 ratchet, 10mm socket, a short extension, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flat screwdriver. Okay, so over here at the vehicle, all we're going to have to do to remove the stock headlight is remove the grille. In order to do that, we're going to start up here, and there are 6 push tabs along the edge. We're going to take our flat blade screwdriver. There's a little notch cut out. You just pop up the center, and then you can pop up the bottom part and pull these right out. Now that we've removed the 6 push tabs along the top, we can go ahead and pull these corners back, just like that, on both sides. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab up here and right down here, and we got to release the clips. And you can do this by gently massaging them out like that, and then removing the grille. Okay, so removing the headlight at this point is super simple. We've got 3 10mm bolts located here on the outer edge. Once we remove those, we can unplug it and just remove it from the vehicle. Okay, so we're ready to get this lighting, and it's just as easy as taking it out. So what we'll do is we'll make our single connection here with the connector provided. You just push it together until it snaps, and then line this up. And the best way to do this is going to be to line up this tab down here, and then once you get that rotated, the top one will drop in. And then take one of your screws and go ahead and thread it in to hold it in place. Just like this. Now we can tighten it up, get the grille back together, and do an adjustment on the lights and see what they look like. Okay, so we've got it all back together, and as you can see, we've got a much nicer looking headlight in here now. And this one is full LED, so the last thing we're going to need to do is adjust it. So we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver. If you go straight down right back here, right there, the Phillips adjuster is right there, and you can spin it left or right, whether you need it to go up or down. And then now we can check out the lights.